Hello everyone, welcome back to my stream once again. Let's see, today we're going to talk about this new startup project, OpenGPU network. All right, let's go. So, first let me give you some information about Gate.io startup benefits. So, startup platform of Gate.io offers users the opportunity to invest early in promising blockchain projects, providing several notable benefits. Early access to emerging projects. Users can participate in initial exchange offerings and acquire tokens before they become publicly available, potentially maximizing returns by investing at discounted rates. So exclusive airdrops and rewards. Gate.io periodically conducts free airdrop programs for outstanding blockchain projects, allowing users to receive tokens without financial commitment. The platform offers VIP upgrade benefits, including a 50% discount on VIP status upgrades, enabling users to access higher subscription limits and additional perks. Strict project vetting. Gate.io employs a rigorous review process to ensure that only high-quality projects with strong potential are featured, enhancing investor confidence. So, many projects launched through Gate.io startup have achieved substantial growth, offering significant returns to early investors. By participating in Gate.io startup platform, users can gain early access to innovative blockchain projects, benefits from exclusive rewards, and potentially achieve high returns on their investments. Okay, before we start, we need to watch the startup participation tutorial. Let's
What is Gate.io Startup? Gate.io Startup is one of the biggest platforms introducing early-stage projects spanning AI, DeFi, GameFi, Metaverse, and more. You can discover potential projects here, participate in Startup and receive free token airdrops. Startup has successfully launched over 1,000 projects, with total participants of 14 million, a subscription amount of more than $100 million, and APY of 16.49%. How many tokens I can claim? Non-VIP users will be randomly selected to win airdrops for each project. The total airdrop amount for non-VIP users will vary depending on the project, and the number of winners and the airdrop amount are not fixed, while for VIP users, they are 100% guaranteed to receive the airdrops. The higher your VIP tier, the more shares you can claim. Are there any requirements to claim Gate.io startup free airdrops? You only need to complete KYC verification and hold no less than $10 to claim free airdrops on Gate.io startup. How to claim free airdrops on Gate.io startup? First, log into your Gate.io account, click on Profile on the homepage and complete the KYC verification. Check your wallet and hold no less than $10 spot assets. Click on Startup on the homepage to access the startup page. Click on the projects in progress and click $0 free to claim. Navigate to the project page. You can check the project introduction here. Click $0 free to claim. Tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. Please note that there will be no fee deducted to claim free airdrops on Gate.io startup. You only need to hold no less than $10 to join. In addition, Startup also provides exclusive airdrop subscription opportunities for users holding GT tokens, allowing them to participate in early-stage project investments and receive project token airdrops. Participation requires only holding 10 GT token. You can go to the startup page and enter the projects labeled GT Holders Exclusive. Then you can click Hold GT and claim free, tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement, and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. You can check the airdrop results in the subscription history or on the project subscription page. By participating in startup subscriptions, you will have more access to some potential projects and stand a chance to reap substantial rewards in their early stages.
Alrighty, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Let's continue with our main project, OpenGPU. So, first things first, let's read the project introduction. The OpenGPU network aims to establish a true decentralized physical infrastructure network and the echo on top of it for efficient distribution of computation-heavy tasks such as AI training and their interface across a network of global peers. By leveraging blockchain technology, OpenGPU presents an open and collaborative environment where individuals, smart enterprises, and large organizations can contribute and utilize computational resources without relying on centralized procedures or what is this? Okay, the founder of OpenGPU is a computer scientist and an expert in the Web3 industry with extensive experience in the B2B sector for blockchain. He has contributed hundreds of projects. Additionally, he has been involved in the finance sector, assisting banks in building private blockchains and playing a key role in tokenizing Eurobond assets and electric vehicles for major corporations. So highlights, so it's not a peer-to-peer GPU rental, unlike competitors. Clients such as AI enterprises directly submit their computation tasks to the network in a decentralized fashion. Providers easily plug their GPU computing resources to the network and start competing for the tasks for revenue. The process is end-to-end with no central control. AI agents facilitate the peers to submit provide for a favorable task. A true deep-in with a real-time free market between clients and providers, promising the most competitive prices and low barrier to entry. Token economics. OpenGPU launched on Ethereum with its main liquidity on Uniswap, 21 million total supply, all in circulation. About one-third of the supply is voluntarily locked in a staking contract until mainnet launch. So OpenGPU is going to be native coin of the OpenGPU mainnet and will be used for tasks payment in the protocol as well. So technical overview, the OpenGPU network employs the concept of distributed and competitive computing, leveraging an approach similar to Bitcoin transactions. Computing tasks are submitted to the network where providers complete to select the most profitable tasks and aim to use them first. And this process is akin to how block miners select transactions from meme pools for validation. So this model represents to the true decentralization of computing. Alrighty, so find the website. So this is the website. Powering the future of AI and crypto. Harness the potential of decentralized GPU computing with OpenGPU network. Okay, build with OpenGPU. Let's explore now. This is the OpenGPU testnet chain explorer. Daily transactions. These are the transactions, I assume. And let's see the revolution. Okay, this is their Telegram channel. Alrighty. So built with OpenGPU. OpenGPU network is created for supporting developers and business to create modern AI and blockchain solutions. OpenGPU network offers excellent performance, security, and scalability, and we make innovations accessible to all. Unmatched scalability. OpenGPU network guarantees the versatility and reliability required for today's most demanding applications with its multi-layered architecture and AVM compatibility. Our platform can offer a processing capacity of more than 5,000 operations per second rapidly and efficiently. Kursat, hello, welcome to my stream. Oh, thanks. Me too. OpenGPU DevNet Innovative and Test. DevNet is designed as an environment for developers to test and innovate. With OpenGPU DevNet, users will have the opportunity to create and develop their projects using the advanced tools and resources before going live. This is also the Explorer. And sustainability at heart, OpenGPU network prioritize sustainability. We optimize GPU resource utilization, reduce carbon emissions, and support a greener approach to high-performance computing. OpenGPU provider desktop app Provider Desktop Open enables GPU providers to connect to the network, validate transactions, and earn rewards. Providers play a vital role in maintaining the integrity of OpenGPU through validating transactions and securing the network. Earn with GPU computing, OpenGPU network users can monetize their idle GPU resources by joining our decentralized computing network, contribute cutting-edge AI projects and other GPU-intensive applications, and earn competitive rewards. OpenDex, your gateway to decentralized trading. OpenDex is our secure, community-governed, decentralized exchange. You can trade, create, and manage tokens with confidence in a safe and efficient environment. Join our community, vibrant community. OpenGPU network enhances collaboration and innovative solutions by creating an environment where ideas develop and innovative solutions emerge. Join our vibrant community and become a part of thriving community of developers, investors, and tech enthusiasts. Alrighty. Roadmap, newsletter, let's check it. Okay, security score is 91.16, which is nice. Let's check roadmap. Roadmap is for future is Scaling Horizons, Ecosystem Expansion and Marketing 2026, Innovating the Future, Advancing AI and Security. So these are the done, and ongoings are public test for provider app, mainnet launch, provider app, client app, validator, we 1.0 releases, OpenX launch, bridge launch, building partnership with AI companies, smart agent development tutorials, flexible Docker, container development, distributed storage, system integration. Upcoming is centralized launch, centralized exchange launch, provider app and client app, v2.0 releases, growing partnership with GPU suppliers, open market for smart agents, partnership with global cloud providers, DeFi integrations for OpenGPU chain. So launch of the apps and marketplace, real-world asset integration of multi-party GPU computing, Open DAO launch, global marketing to onboard crypto projects, Open NFT launch, contribution to client research project, distributed GPU computing for multi-agent AI systems. Exploring, expanding provider app user base. Advanced machine learning analytics, building SDK for startups and developers, distributed GPU computing for self-driving cars, initiatives for cross-blockchain collaboration, research for mobile GPU computing, advanced anomaly detection and ML integration, on-chain consensus with zero-knowledge solutions, expanding capabilities with layer 2 integrations. This is the roadmap. I think this is the newsletters. You don't need this. And they have an academy, Discover OpenGPU Academy. Let's just go slightly. Whether you are new to technology or a seasoned pro, you will find resources tailored to your needs and learn about the foundation stones of the OpenGPU network. Latest releases Discover OpenGPU Academy, OpenGPU Client, Staking, ORC20 Protocol, OpenDex coming soon. Alright. Oh, individuals, yellow paper. They got yellow paper, light paper, and white paper. We will check the light paper later. Testnet information, network name, OpenGPU testnet, chain, currency symbol, to the OGPU, currency name, testnet, OpenGPU. Okay. I'll check Twitter. Oh, I'm really sorry. Just give me a second. I can't just close it. Yeah. So let's see. We were checking Nick's account. We don't need this. Yeah, here we are. So OpenGPU. Um, there's no voice. Oh, this is the installation guide. Let's watch it. For Macs. All right, understandable. So let's see what we'll like. Yes, gate IO. We from OpenGPU office, one milestone at a time. We're still progressing through our development roadmap. With every tick, we get closer to redefining the future of decentralized computing. Well done. All right, understandable. So we check the community. They got YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, but let's move. You can stake your OpenGPU here, I guess. The total stake tokens, total stakers 1,159. Mainnet pool. You should connect your wallet. All right, understandable. Earnings. Let your GPU drip into your wallet. Unlock the potential of your idle GPU power by turning into a stream of income on a competitive market. Instead of letting unused processing capabilities sit idle, leverage them to earn dynamic rewards effortlessly, generate continuous financial growth. Provider earn calculator experience privilege of using OpenGPU networks, alpha version client and provider applications with unique earning options. Oh, we got a calculator. Wait, that's really nice. I'll use this. That's really nice. All right. Well done. Let's check the white paper. Yeah, OpenGPU network white paper, table of contents, introduction to decentralized computing. Okay, let's don't waste time with the table. So, introduction to decentralized computing for AI applications. The birch, burgeoning field of AI demands computational resources that exceed the capacity of traditional centralized infrastructures. The Open GPU network addresses this need through a decentralized architecture, enabling a vast and untapped reservoir of GPU resources across a dispersed network. By leveraging a peer-to-peer topology, the network sidesteps the bottlenecks inherent in centralized systems, distributing computation across multiple nodes to ensure reduced density, fault tolerance, and high availability. So this approach not only facilitates intense computational tasks inherent to AI, but also fosters an environment conducive to innovation and rapid scaling. Overview of the OpenGPU network and its mission. So the OpenGPU network's mission is to redefine the computational uh, landscape for AI applications by providing a decentralized GPU sharing economy. So at the heart of this ecosystem is the OpenGPU token, a cryptographic asset powered by Ethereum blockchain technology, ensuring secure and transparent transactions within the network. The initial deployment on the Ethereum network will allow for the robustness of testnet smart contracts, with plans to migrate, migrate to a dedicated layer designed to optimize transactions throughput and reduce latency, crucial for real-time AI computations. Um, High-level architecture. From an architectural standpoint, the OpenGPU network operates on a multi-layered protocol stack. At the base layer, the blockchain protocol ensures immutability and consensus across the distributed ledger. Smart contracts automate the network's operational logic from job distribution to token uh, remuneration. The interaction layer encapsulates the API gateway, which serves as the entry point for customer script submissions and node provider registrations. Above this line lies the orchestration layer, where a balanced scheduler intelligently distributes AI tasks across the network based on node availability and computational demand. So orchestration and workflow. The orchestration of tasks within the OpenGPU network is a announced process designed to optimize resource allocation and throughput. Upon receiving a task submission via the customer-facing dashboard, the AIP server conducts prime, preliminary security checks using an integrated cloud AI service. This ensures the integrity and security of the scripts before they are dispatched across the network. So following security clearance, the job scheduler assumes control, determining the optimal node or nodes in the network for task execution. So this decision is made based on a variety of factors, including node performance, current load, and historical reliability. The selected nodes then perform the computation with the results of associated computational costs being securely relayed back to the customer. The economics and economic model. So the OGPU token serves multiple roles within the ecosystem. In the currency which customers pay for computational services, the reward for node providers contributing GPU power and the means for setting transaction fees that fund network maintenance and development. The fixed supply of 20 million OGPU tokens, coupled with the 5% buy-sell tax, ensures a deflationary pressure that incentivizes their early adoption and long-term holding. The max wallet limit of 2% designed to prevent market manipulation and ensure a democratized distribution of tokens. Accuracy and precision in design, accuracy in the execution of computational tasks, and precision in the microeconomic environment of the network are paramount. Every element of the network's design is fine-tuned to ensure that from the moment customer script is submitted to the final execution by the node providers. Every step is audited for consistency, efficiency, and security. So this includes uh, meticulous attention to the smart contracts that govern transaction logic, as well as the algorithms that dictate job scheduling and node selection. So this executive summary encapsulates the OpenGPU network's ambition to deploy a high availability, decentralized computing framework that harnesses the collective power of GPU resources globally. It stands as a beacon of innovation, setting a stage for a future where AI and blockchain technologies uh, converge to create a more accessible, resilient, and efficient computational model. So, background and problem statement. So, current state of AI computation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning have advanced exponentially in recent years, catalyzing innovations across various sectors, including healthcare, automotive, finance, and more. So this advancement, however, is critically reliant on the availability and accessibility of substantial computational resources, especially graphics processing units, which are adept at handling the parallel processing tasks typical of AI algorithms. Currently, these resources are predominantly centralized, controlled by a handful of corporate entities. This centralization poses several challenges. It creates high barriers to entry due to cost, raises concerns about data privacy, security, and can lead to significant single points of failure within the AI development pipeline. So the limitations of centralized models. In a centralized computing model, the infrastructure's rigid nature leads to suboptimal resource allocation, often resulting in unused and underutilized computational power. Moreover, the centralized repositories of data are more susceptible to breaches, with consequences ranging from service interruption to server data leakage. So this centralized approach also suffers from scalability issues as the demand for AI services increases. The ability to seamlessly scale resources without incurring exorbitant costs to and during extensive downtime becomes problematic. So as AI models become more complex, the demand for computational power surge, leading to increased costs that can be prohibitive for small or medium-sized enterprises and individual researchers. So these final barriers not only stifle innovation, but also consolidate the power of AI advancement in the hands of the few who can afford such computational extravagance. Furthermore, so the process of scaling in a centralized architecture often requires significant capital investment in hardware and infrastructure, coupled with ongoing maintenance costs. So the centralization imperative, decentralization offers a compelling solutions to these issues by distributing the computational load across a new network of individual GPU providers. So this not only maximizes the utilization of existing resources, but also reduces the concentration of power and control. However, current decentralized solutions are in their nascent stages, are not often hindered by a lack of structure, security, and an effective economic model incentivize participation and ensure the system's sustainability. Oh, you're welcome, Gate user. Thanks for watching. The need for a tailored blockchain solution. Blockchain technology, with its inherent characteristics of security, transparency, and consensus, presents a viable foundation for a decentralized computing network. Yet, not all blockchain platforms are equipped to handle the high throughput, low latency requirements of AI computations. And this exists a gap for a blockchain solution specifically tailored to the needs of decentralized AI computing, a solution that can offer benefits of decentralization without compromising on the efficiency or robustness required by AI applications. So the Open GPU network represents a. Okay, guys, I need to take a break. Just give me a minute. Alright, let's go. So the OpenGPU network represents a paradigm shift in the provision of AI computational resources. It is architectured as distributed ecosystem that connects individual processing idle GPU powers with those in need of this computational capability. By doing so, It addresses the significant inefficiencies of centralized computing farms, including single points of failure, prohibitive costs for small and medium-sized entities, and the substantial ecological footprint of concentrated data centers. So technical implementation and network topology. So the initial phase of the OpenGPU network is underpinned by the Ethereum blockchain, a decision rooted in Ethereum's robustness, security, and established community. The Ethereum's smart contract functionality automates the network's core operations from executing transactions by handling the complex logic of resources allocation and task distribution. The technical architecture is underpinned by a series of interconnected layers, each with specialized functions. The technical architecture is underpinned by a series of interconnected layers, each with a specialized function. The infrastructure layer consists of physical GPU contributed by node providers worldwide, creating a potent distributed mesh or computational power. The blockchain layer captures all transactions, node registrations, and task tensions, ensuring transparency and security through cryptographic mechanisms. The application layer features a dual-sided platform, a customer portal for submitting AI tasks, and node provider interface for managing contributed resources. The orchestration layer uses a sophisticated balance scheduler to match tasks with the optimal computing nodes, considering factors such as computational complexity, node performance, and current network load. Alrighty, so at the center of the network's operations is the AIP server, which orchestrates the flow of data and tasks between customers, node providers, and the blockchain. The AIP server serves as a robust, secure gateway equipped with a security layer that leverages cloud AI to analyze and sanitize incoming AI scripts, mitigating potential security threats. Upon a successful script wedding, the job scheduler within the AIP server is tasked with praising the AI script requirements and allocating the task to suitable nodes. So this dynamic allocation is based on a real-time assessment of the network, optimizing for the lowest latency and highest throughput possible. And a promotional component of the network is balance scheduler. The component not only ensures equitable task distribution among node providers, but also aligns computational demands with node capabilities. So the balance scheduler employs a sophisticated algorithm that factors in node availability, computational proficiency, and the task urgency to assign tasks in a manner that maximizes network efficiency and minimizes the customer wait times. The node selection process is further defined through the use of predictive analytics, assessing historical node performance data to forecast future reliability and task completion rates. So this predictive approach ensures that computational workloads are distributed across the network in a manner that optimizes for both speed and accuracy. So the ultimate goal of OpenGPU network is the development and deployment of a custom layer blockchain specifically designed to unique requirements or distributed GPU computing. The purpose-built blockchain will cater to the higher transaction throughput and a low latency needs AI application scaling far beyond what the initial Ethereum-based solution can offer. The transition strategy involves a careful phased approach that maintains integrity and continuity of uh, the network's operations. It is a visionary step that will harness the full potential of blockchain technology to create an unparalleled centralized AI computing platform. The OpenGPU network thus presents a meticulously crafted blockchain-driven solution to the exigent demand of modern AI applications, setting a new benchmark in the realm of distributed computing. All right, let's continue. At the core of the OpenGPU's net technical infrastructure is a robust and layered architecture that balances the efficiency of GPU resource utilization with the immutability and security of blockchain technology. The backbone of the OpenGPU network is a blockchain layer built on the Ethereum protocol during the initial phase. Ethereum's proven consensus algorithms ensures that every transaction, whether it's to be related to token exchange or computational task fulfillment, is transparent and tamper-proof. Smart contracts execute predefined protocols for every interaction within the network. These include registering new nodes and validating their GPU capabilities, matching computational tasks with the best suited nodes using backbone algorithm, distributing OGPU net tokens from the customers to node providers upon successful task completion, enforcing the network's tokenomics, including the buy-sell tax and max wallet limit. High-performance AIP server. The AIP server acts as the gateway between the user interface and the blockchain, managing the submission of tasks, the distribution of workloads, and the secure exchange of data. This server implements high-level security protocols, analyze scripts for potential security vulnerabilities using cutting-edge cloud AI services to provide RESTful AIP for seamless integration with third-party developers, fostering an ecosystem of decentralized apps built upon the OpenGPU network. So, job scheduler and orchestration. At the orchestration level, the network employs a sophisticated job scheduler responsible for phrasing the computational requirements of each AI task. So identifying available nodes through real-time tracking of network capacity and node performance, allocating tasks to a node in a manner that ensures the most efficient use of resources and the fastest possible computation time. The scheduler is designed with fail over and load balancing mechanisms that maintain operational continuity even in the event of individual node failures. The customer and node provider dashboards serve as the human interface to the underlying technology. From the dashboards, users can customers submit AI computation tasks, test their progress, and manage transactions with GPU tokens. Node providers register and manage their GPU resources, track earnings, and withdraw their GPU tokens. So these interfaces are built with user experience as a priori, uh, featuring um, intu- intuitive navigation and real-time feedback on network status and individual performance metrics. And to uphold the integrity of the network and the compatibility of the computation tasks, OpenGPU network integrates several layers of security. Advanced encryption protocols safeguard data is transit at the rest, and um the security layer within the AIP server implements continuous monitoring and AI-driven anomaly detection to preemptively identify and mitigate threats. And periodic security audits and updates ensure that the network remains resilient against evolving cyber threats. Uh, Acknowledging the heterogeneous nature of technical landscape, um, the Open GPU network is built with interoperability in mind. It supports a range of programming languages and frameworks, ensuring that the developers can seamlessly integrate their AI applications within the network. OpenGPU Network's architecture is inherently scalable, designed to accommodate an increasing number of nodes and growing volume of computation tasks without the gradation, degradation in performance. The scalability is achieved through horizontal scaling of nodes and distribution of token uh, tasks across the network. Yes, let's continue. Let's move to staking. In the Open GPU network, staking represents a vital mechanism for both securing the network and enabling token holders to earn rewards. Participants can stake their OGPU tokens to receive Ethereum rewards, with the amount of rewards depending on the stake token amount, the duration of the stake, and the GPU levels associated with their account. The key feature staking: stakers earn rewards in Ethereum, aligning the incentive structure with the broader Ethereum ecosystem and ensuring attractive returns for network participants. Reward determinants: stake token amount, stake duration. Okay. So OpenGPU network introduced a comprehensive economic model designed to sustain and grow the decentralized GPU computing ecosystem. And central to this model is the OGPU token, engineered to facilitate transactions, incentivize participation, and ensures the long-term viability of the network. So this section delves into the intricate economics and incentive mechanisms that underpin the OpenGPU network. Um, Total supply and distribution, we check these. The max wallet limit is to prevent the market dominance by a few holders and encourage a wide distribution tokens. A maximum wallet limit of 2% of the top total supply is imposed. That limit ensures that the decentralization ethos of the network extends in its economic model, fostering a diverse and engaged community of participants. Incentive mechanisms. Individuals and entities that contribute their GPU resources to the network are compensated with GPU tokens. The reward mechanism is calibrated to reflect the computational power provided and the duration of contribution, incentivizing sustained participation and investment in the network's growth. The customers pay for computational services using OGPU tokens, so this direct use case for the token ensures consistent demand and circulation within the ecosystem, driving the utility of uh, OGPU. So beyond transactional utility, OGPU tokens offer holders the opportunity to participate in network governance. By staking tokens, participants gain, can gain voting rights on key decisions, including network upgrades, policy changes, and community proposals. So this staking mechanism not only secures the network, but also aligns the interest of token holders with the long-term success of the OpenGPU network. So the future directions transitions to a custom blockchain layer, enhanced security protocols, integration with emerging technologies, community ecosystem development, global expansion and regulatory compliance, benefits and impacts. Unlike centralized computing infrastructure that are susceptible to single points of failure and data breaches, the centralized architecture of the OpenGPU network inherently enhances security and resilience against cyber attacks. The network's design allows for data to be processed closer to its source, reducing the need to transfer sensitive information over the internet and mitigating privacy concerns. Additionally, advanced encryption protocols ensure the confidentiality and integrity of data as it moves through the network. Uh, let's see. And in conclusion, let's just check this. OpenGPU network stands as a pioneering force in the intersection of blockchain technology and AI computation, so heralding a transformative approach to decentralized computing through its innovative architecture, robust economic and the strategic vision for scalability and integration with emerging technologies. It sets a new standard for accessing and utilizing GPU resources across the globe. Alright, you guys. So I think that's it. Um, Thanks for watching. Thanks for paying attention and participating. Okay, that's it. We watched the tutorial. We checked the white paper website. Really nice project. And that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.